Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Hater versus Cursor versus Windsurf, which is the best AI coding tool. When it comes to choosing the best AI coding tool, it really depends on your workflow and preferences. Hater is a powerful terminal-based pair programming assistant that connects directly with your Git repo, supports over 100 languages, and even lets you commit changes with clear messages. Great for developers who love the command line. Cursor, on the other hand, is a full development environment with context-aware AI, completion, real-time queries, and autonomous editing, perfect if you want an all-in-one coding workspace. Windsurf, formerly Codium, shines with advanced multi-step code edits, personalized suggestions, and a super complete feature that predicts intent, making it ideal for teams focused on efficiency and innovation. In short, Aider is best for Git and terminal lovers, Cursor for developers wanting a complete AI-powered IDE, and Windsurf for teams seeking smart, multi-step editing. Try each one to see which best matches your coding style. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.